Hello everybody, this is Tish just doing what I do. I am a little nervous because this is my first let me see. Calm down, Tish. This is my first start of getting my garden bed done. I went to pick up my 2x4s today. I talked to one of the the assistants, the customer service assistants in there to help the customers. Michaela, she was very nice. She had built greenhouses and different things and helped her mom and everything. But anyway, Michaela was helping me with she's a visionary like me. She was helping me lay it out and what to use to backfill it and everything. And so I'm so nervous, yes. But I did do one of my big purchases, and I just purchased 6 of these boards, these 4x4s. And I am about to load it up. Okay. Guess what? I'm getting the same person that helped me with everything else to help load it up for me. Michaela. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be awesome. I'm so excited about my new adventure with this building the most sturdy, most productive garden gate. It's gonna be awesome for my garden. And I'm extending it by 30 feet. Oh no, excuse me, by 5 feet, excuse me. It's gonna be, instead of 25 by 25, gonna be 25 by 30. I'm thinking about doing 30 by 30, but we'll see. But I'm so excited about this. Well, I am so excited. Guess what? My lumber, you see, I don't know if you can see it, it's in the back. My lumber is in the back. Okay, my 4x4 is in the back, heading out the parking lot, headed back to the house. And I'm going to stack this up in the garage for right now because I'm not ready to put them in the ground. And another thing, guess what? I can rent a hole digger. They say it's $7 for, I think 10, I forgot how many hours, but I know I seen $10 for 24 hours. So I'm thinking it'll take one day to get all them poles in, that 24 hours, and pay $10 to rent the hole digger. Because I'm not doing a machine. I don't know how to work that. And I think I'd be best with the hole digger instead of renting a machine, and I don't know how to work. So first, get these back, and I'm gonna go out and remeasure my spacing. Okay, everybody, all right, guess what? Now my 2x4s are on. You see, they laid out, the 6 is in here. So now we have that done. My 6 4x4s are here. So I'm going out there to measure the garden in just a minute, but I want to show you that I have all my leaves raked up almost in front of my yard, the leaves, and got a bag. Now remember I told you about mulch. So that means the only thing I do is stick the bag, put holes in the bag. I need to wet the leaves in the bag, put holes in the bags, and throw them over in the side somewhere and allow that to decompose and make that awesome compost, leaf for compost. Okay, stay tuned. Hello everybody, I'm back. Now I'm getting ready to measure once, measure twice. You measure as many times as you have to, because you do not want to get your measurements wrong when you're building or putting getting your dimensions for your building site, because this is going to be making my garden fence, putting up a garden fence. So as you know, I told you before, I do not have a main fence line for my backyard. So in order for me to be secure in my head and secure while I'm out here in my garden, I feel more safe if I have a sturdy, secure, safe fence up. So I'm going to be putting posts, 4x4 posts in the ground, 6 of them. And this bed is going to be 25 by 30 for right now. I'm thinking about 30 by 30, but Right now, it's gonna be 25 by 30. So I'm gonna do my measurements again. I got some paint that I'm repainting my trellises yellow because my color for my garden is really green and yellow, and also red. So I have some red I'm gonna be putting in as well. I love colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark the place on the ground where it's gonna be, and I want to take you on a journey with me. Here it is 25 distance. Matter of fact, my fence line is 24. Found out. So I'm going 25. So I give myself an inch more. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna measure the backside, and I'm going to move you over so you can see that. Okay, everybody, guess what? That's it. I have done my measurements. I'm going to um, spray paint the corners on the other side, which is the right measurement. That's the same measurement it's going to be on going up and down because I did this side over here. So I know it be. I do have 5 more inches I'm adding on. I'm gonna keep the 25 by 30. So I'm keeping that because if I go too far, it's gonna go up too far to my patio area, and I don't want it to go up no higher. I also, before I even did this, I also did my son raked the leaves in the front, put them in a bag. So now I have 2 bags full of leaf mulch preparing for next season in the bag because I had dumped the one I did last year and it was ready. I put it on the beds. So now I got neat leaf mulch on the bed. And now I got 2 more bags over here, which I have a whole backyard to not rake, but I'm going to get someone to come and bag them with the lawnmower so then I can be able to have bags of leaf mulch already crumbled up, watered, throw it in the bag, punch holes in it, and it will decompose on its own. So now I'm going to get back into painting my trellises and finish up my strawberries, which I'm a little bit late, and potatoes, which I should have did last month. I'm gonna get it in anyway now, and then probably work on start putting my fruit trees in my new fruit orchard so I can get the netting around tomorrow. Okay, this is Tish just doing what I do. Subdivision gardener, out here getting prepared for my new garden fence. I'm so excited. Be blessed and have a wonderful day. And remember, just do what you do. If God called you to do it, ain't nothing gonna be wrong with it. Just do it, because He called you to do it. This is Tish, just doing what I do. Be blessed.